Imagine a time before the United States existed. The year is 1754. Two powerful empires, Great Britain and France, are locked in a struggle for control of North America. The British colonists, eager for land and resources, are pushing westward into the Ohio Valley. Problem is, the French claim this land too. They have forts and trading posts throughout the region, and they are allied with powerful Native American tribes. Tensions are rising. War feels inevitable. The French and Indian War, as it's known, was actually a war between these two European superpowers. It was a clash of empires, with the fate of North America hanging in the balance. The colonists found themselves caught in the middle, forced to choose sides. Many Native American tribes sided with the French, their longtime trading partners. They feared the expansion of the British colonies would threaten their way of life. This conflict wasn't just about land. It was about control of the fur trade, which was incredibly valuable at the time. Both the French and the British wanted to dominate this lucrative industry. The Ohio Valley, with its abundant wildlife, was at the heart of this economic rivalry. The stage was set for a showdown. The Ohio Valley was a vast and fertile region, rich in resources and teeming with wildlife. Rivers like the Ohio and the Mississippi provided vital transportation routes, connecting the interior of the continent to the Atlantic coast. For the British colonists, the Ohio Valley represented an opportunity for expansion, for new settlements, and for increased trade. The French, however, had other plans. They had established a strong presence in the Ohio Valley through their chain of forts and their alliances with Native American tribes. They recognized the strategic importance of the region and were determined to keep the British out. The Ohio Valley became a flashpoint, a tinderbox waiting to ignite. In 1754, a young Virginian named George Washington led a small force of colonial militia into the Ohio Valley. Their mission was to assert British claims to the region. Washington clashed with a French force at Fort Necessity, marking the beginning of the French and Indian War in North America. The conflict quickly escalated, drawing in troops from Europe and Native American allies on both sides. The vast wilderness of North America became a battleground, with forts and settlements changing hands in a brutal and protracted struggle for supremacy. The French and Indian War was a pivotal event that shaped the future of North America. The Treaty of Paris in 1763 marked the end of the war, but its consequences were far-reaching. The war set the stage for American independence, as the colonies began to seek freedom from British rule. It also altered the balance of power between European empires, with Britain gaining significant territory. Native American tribes were deeply impacted as their lands and alliances shifted. The long-term effects of the war influenced the development of the United States, laying the groundwork for a new nation.